how to remove TikTok invisible filter. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can remove TikTok's invisible filter. So firstly you have to open up PicsArt, and then after that you just have to download the picture that you guys want to remove your invisible filter from. And then once you guys have that picture, simply log in from Snapchat, Facebook, or whatever else. And then after that, once you guys have logged in, you guys are gonna see the dashboard of PicsArt. Now after that, just simply go for a free plan for now. Click on use free trial, click on continue with a 7-day free trial. And then after that, once you guys have of course got into PicsArt, after that simply click on the picture that you guys want to remove the invisible filter from. Click on effects. After that you guys are going to see all of these effects. You guys can also use these effects as well, but for now we're going to adjust the picture a bit. So to adjust the picture, click on tools. After that, click on adjust. And then as soon as you guys increase the brightness, you guys can basically see what is behind the blurriness. So lower the brightness, increase the contrast, try to increase the clarity as well, and then also increase or decrease the saturation to see more colors. You also have the options for hue as well, but over here lower the shadows, and you guys are going to be able to see somewhat of what might have been behind this particular filter. Of course you guys can play around with this. It is going to vary from picture to picture, but once you guys know exactly what to look for, then you guys are going to be able to of course remove the invisible filter from TikTok pictures easily. So guys, that is how you guys can remove the invisible filter. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.